Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rushville, local and long-distance movers near me. Occasionally, long-distance moves involve a journey of at least 50 miles. If you're looking for a long-distance mover, we've got you covered. To make the relocation event easy for you, we'll not only transport your belongings to your new workplace or apartment, but we'll also take care of the whole moving procedure for you. We know that long-distance relocations present many challenges, but we're ready to deal with them. Because of this, 3 Movers is the most incredible option for those who aren't sure how to best handle the relocation process. Our movers are trained to use the most efficient and suitable methods for your move. We do this to avoid issues like property damage or loss. With our vehicles, you don't have to worry about possessions breaking down while driving. They satisfy industry norms. In addition, we frequently maintain them and keep them in outstanding condition after each long-distance travel. Long-distance relocations are under the watchful eye of local, state, and federal authorities, all of which have a good relationship with us. Some relocations need a journey of fewer than 50 miles, and local relocations describe these kinds of moves. As a general rule, we don't take local moves for granted because they are less time-consuming. Instead, we enlist the help of the most capable hands available. Long-distance movers charge more, while our local movers charge less. Our hourly rate is between $30 and $40 for this relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rushville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.